Gus is getting hosed.
Good boy. I thought this would be more of a struggle.
Goodness.
And your baby
Oh, goodness.
Oh, it's
Oh,
down.
goodness.
It's down.
Oh, goodness.
It's your penis. Good boy. You like that?
He doesn't hate it.
Good boy.
Nope, stay there.
Gus, come here. No. I know you want a sheet. Come here. Let's do some shampoo. Okay?
Oh, shampoos. Oh, wet puppy doggy.
Oh my goodness.
He doesn't care.
How you doing?
He's fine. Oh, goodness. Does he stink like vinegar now?
Yeah. Do I have to clean his butthole?
No.
I don't.
He does that himself.
He does?
Yeah, he licks himself. Oh, wet puppy.
Penis. Probably gonna get a red rocket pretty soon. You're being very good, Gus. Around your face a little bit. Keep it out of your eyes. We don't want it around your eyes. Good boy. Okay. Now, I don't know how to do this without getting it in your eyes. Oh, alright. Oh, thanks, Gus. Mama needed a shower. Look at his hair on the back of his neck.
Goodness. Oh, good boy. You're doing so good.
Gus.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I needed you to turn, actually.
Yeah.
Come here. It's okay. Come here. We're almost done.
Do you want me to go get a towel?